Zach, might film me.
Lead is not good for you.
Oh yes, Michael's got something, but he's so silent that he won't tell
Oh,
you.
it's not breakfast.
Pretty one. Definitely not breakfast.
Hey Dad, if I catch like a tiny one, can I just keep him and Dad and catch a bigger fish?
Moon rats. Whoop. Triple backflip.
Look at this little balls.
On. Very small. Got another moon wrasse. Oh, wow.
Tiny sweet.
That's tiny.
That's actually impressive that that took the hook.
Impressively small. Wait, can I?
There's one
On
again.
again.
Gotta go on that side.
Another brim, probably.
What you got? Oh,
Daiwa.
well, you pulled hard.
You did. I don't want you. Oh my goodness.
No drag.
Wreck
Wait,
side.
what?
Do we keep the
I'll let my mate.
I'm gonna catch a wobbie gong, you watch.
Yo, why is it not taking the hook?
You say yo.
Yo!
Yo. Yo, come on.
That's better. Oh, wait, that's good.
That's the kind of.
Yo! Okay, it's tiny, it just wanted the wreck. Codling!
Is it edible?
Oh.
Oh, I'm getting with Sunday vibes.
Yo, breakfast.
Honeycomb.
Honeycomb.
Oh, yuck, he swallowed that.
Oh wow, that was fire.
That's going in. No.
No.
Other way, Joe.
That way, Jared. Yo.
Yo! How to lose a spangly.
Yo.
Yo!
How's it doing? Off the spot.
Jared, what are you doing, mate? Okay. Put your rod down and come in. Somewhere else.
Very small.
Hope that's not a fish.
Ah, another little guy.
Come on!
Hey Zach, you want this guy? Can you unhook him?
Feel them.
Yeah.
I'll try to use mine.
See what's under there.
Nice, that one.
Maybe when you go.
Wood. You need like a 360 camera though, because otherwise it's all wobbly as it falls down. Oh yes, I missed it. Give me a bigger one. Okay, thank you very much for the bigger one.
Fishing! Oh yeah!
I was like, give me a bigger one. I'm like, oh, there it is.
There you go.
Nice.
Is that alright?
Yo.
Yeah, it's alright.
Oh, yo.
Ah. Shiny. Big spangly.
That's a seal. Nice.
Give me a bigger one.
Is that a sweet?
Yeah, bail on. Yo!
Brim.
Yeah, you stick with your brim.
That's a good fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome.
Boom. Over. Boink. Ah, slippery.
There you go.
Yeah, little guy. Yeah, it's very small. Oh, red bass! That is so cool.
Rainbow.
That is
That's a
so
thumbnail.
cool.
This could be a sick thumbnail with the rainbow.
Oh, that's actually so cool. I've never caught a red bass.
Where are you fishing?
That's awesome. That's so cool. I've never caught one of those. On. Fishing.
Not that bad. Monster.
Hang on. Get shocked again.
What's going on?
Yeah.
Oh, red.
Let's
Yes. Literally just got a red.
That's actually pretty cool.
That's so cool.
That's actually cool.
We are catching exquisite fish.
What's that?
Red bass and red emperor.
Look, he's pooping.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Just drop straight down.
There we go. At the bottom.
Jared,
Got him.
drag up, Jared.
Doubles! Oh, mine is like ridiculously small.
Yeah.
I used little reefy.
Whoa! Oh, that's actually a big one.
Whoa! Big grass. Stripey. Oh, that was better, hey. Oh, damn it.
What are you using, man?
Mullet.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Oh, no, that was better. Dropped him. Oh my goodness, just eat it. Got him. Ah, almost. Ah. This time around. Never mind. Alright. Locking in. Damn it. Oh yeah. How did that go so hard? That thing fought really well. Why did that fight so well? Stupid little Moses perch.
That fought hard.
Yeah. He wanted to reef me on that, eh? for the Moses. Be free. That's like on the wreck. You'll get a little Jimmy. I hate the small bites, you can just tell that they're little nippers. Almost. Come on. Oh, missed him. Come on. Give me a red bass. I like them. Spangly. Spangled Emperor. Oh man, spiky, eh? Spangly, be free. So I can catch it on a bit of skin. Another one. Oh my goodness, they are small. Wowzers. They did go pretty hard though, because that size. Chill. Chill. Don't flare up. Alright, let's see what 11% can get me.
That's okay.
Let's catch another big sweet lip perhaps. Wouldn't mind it. Me? Yes, I do. Yes, I don't think I've even really used it.
In your bag?
Yeah, it'll be in the top pocket. Like on the bottom. No, not that one. This one here. Unzip it. And just down the very bottom there. Like it basically looks like the floor, but it's not.
Oh, right. Can we use it?
Yeah. Oh, that's the one that Zach gave me. I didn't see what happened.
No, I just got a hit. Did you see a splash?
No? Oh, you're using a metal net.
Yeah.
Oh, did you get a hit?
Yeah.
Thomas.